Changing the oil and oil filters on a Scania 420P-XT. To remove the sump bung, you need a 1/2 inch drive, ratchet or other device. Rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise and let it drop out. Hot oil will come out a lot faster. Undo the filter housing with a 36mm spanner or socket. And slowly lift it out so you don't spill it everywhere. Pull the old element out, clip the new one in, replace the O-ring, and then oil or grease the O-ring and threads. Then just reinstall it and torque to 25 Newton meters. Best oil is 520 for these engines, but I'm using 530. Just pour it down. Dip your oil as you normally would. You want anywhere from halfway to full when we're first filling it back up, as it will drop down again. This one's a little bit low. Run the engine. I'm only revving it because I'd also done fuel at this point. Once you've shut it off, let it rest for at least 5 minutes. 15 is probably more accurate. And re-dip it. It should be anywhere between 3/4 and halfway to send it on. Always replace O-rings with the filter. Grease or oil can help create a better seal, and torque the caps to the manufacturer's specification. Lightly lubricate threads to prevent seizing, and consult the workshop manual for more information.